If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. If you benefit from this video, please give a like and also share so others can benefit. Jazakumullah khair. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will learn هذا وذلك. هذا meaning this and ذلك meaning that. هذا this, ذلك that. Remember, هذا this, ذلك that. هذا, which is something near, هذا, we use هذا, and something which is far, we use ذلك. Let's learn how would you say, this is my house. We have learned my house, which is بيتي. My house is بيتي. And we are learning هذا, هذا meaning this. بيتي, my house. هذا بيتي, this is my house. هذا meaning this, بيتي, my house. When you put them together, becomes this is my house. هذا بيتي, this is my house. So let's learn new words first. فرس, a horse. فرس, a horse. كلب, a dog. كلب, a dog. Let's practice. هذا قلم, this is a pen. هذا قلمي, this is my pen. هذا قلمي, this is my pen. The ya at the end indicates my. هذا قلمي, this is my pen. هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا كتابك, this is your book. هذا كتابك, this is your book. The kaf indicates yours, talking to a male. هذا كتابك, this is your book. هذا فرس, this is a horse. هذا this, فرس, a horse. هذا فرس, this is a horse. هذا فرسك, this is your horse. You're speaking to a female. هذا فرسك, this is your horse. The kaf at the end with kasra, zair indicates you're speaking to a female. هذا فرسك, this is your horse. And ذلك is that. ذلك meaning that. Something which is far. ذلك كلب, that is a dog. ذلك that, كلب, a dog. ذلك كلب, that is a dog. ذلك كلبك, that is your dog. Speaking to a male. ذلك كلبك, that is your dog. Let's review. هذا قلمي وذلك كتابك. هذا قلمي, this is my pen. وذلك كتابك, and that is your book. هذا قلمي وذلك كتابك. This is my pen, and that is your book. هذا بيتي وذلك مسجدي. هذا بيتي, this is my house. وذلك مسجدي, and that is my masjid. هذا بيتي وذلك مسجدي. This is my house, and that is my masjid. هذا فرسي وذلك كلبك. هذا فرسي, this is my horse. وذلك كلبك, and that is your dog. هذا فرسي وذلك كلبك. This is my horse, and that is your dog. So هذا meaning this, ذلك meaning that. And هذا وذلك are used only for masculine. Remember this. It is not used for feminine. It is not used for female. Anything you are pointing should be masculine. It should not be feminine. Anything you're pointing towards should be masculine, should be male. Let's see the use of هذا in the Quran. هذا صراط مستقيم. This is the straight path. هذا صراط مستقيم. This is the straight path. قال هذا ربي. He said, this is my Lord. قال, he said, هذا this, ربي, my Lord. قال هذا ربي. He said, this is my Lord. هذا أكبر. This is the greatest. هذا this, أكبر, the greatest. هذا أكبر. This is the greatest. وهذا كتاب. And this is a book. وهذا كتاب. And this is a book. هذا this, كتاب, a book. وهذا كتاب. And this is a book. Let's see the use of ذلك in the Quran. بعد ذلك. After that. بعد, after ذلك, that. بعد ذلك, after that. ومن يفعل ذلك. And whoever does that. And man, who يفعل, does ذلك, that. So ومن يفعل ذلك, and whoever does that. وذلك الفوز العظيم. And that is the great success. وذلك الفوز العظيم. And that is the great success. ذلك, that. الفوز, success. عظيم, the great. وذلك الفوز العظيم. And that is the great success. ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا. Our Lord, you did not create this in vain. ربنا, our Lord. ربنا, our Lord. ما خلقت. ما, not خلقت, you created. ما خلقت, you did not create. هذا, this. هذا, this. باطلا, in vain. باطلا, in vain. Here in this ayah, هذا meaning this. وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا. And when Ibrahim said, my Lord, make this a secure city. وإذ, and when. وإذ, and when. قال, said. قال, said. Ibrahim, Ibrahim. Ibrahim is Ibrahim, alayhi salatu wasalam. Rabbi, my Lord. Rabbi, my Lord. The Zair or Kasra indicates the Ya. Rabbi, my Lord. Ij'al, make. Ij'al, make. This is command. This is Amr. When you read it alone, it will be Ij'al. The Kasra, Ij'al. And when you connect it with the previous word, the Alif is silence. It will be Rabbi Ja'al. Rabbi Ja'al. هذا, this. بلدا, city. بلدا, city. Balad is city. بلدا, city. آمنا, secure. آمنا, secure. So in this ayah, هذا is the meaning of this. ذلك متاع الحياة الدنيا. That is the enjoyment of worldly life. ذلك, that. ذلك, that. متاع, enjoyment. متاع, enjoyment. الحياة, the life. الحياة, the life. الدنيا, the world. الدنيا, the world. ذلك متاع الحياة الدنيا. That is the enjoyment of worldly life. Here in this ayah, ذلك meaning that. ذلك meaning that. One extra note to remember that in the Quran sometimes ذلك comes for the meaning of this. ذلك comes for the meaning of this. You should not be worried when you see ذلك with the meaning of this. For example, ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه. This is the book, there is no doubt in it. ذلك, this. الكتاب, the book. الكتاب, the book. لا, no. لا, no. ريب, doubt. Raib, doubt. Fihi, in it. Fihi, in it. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. This is the book, there is no doubt in it. ذَلِكَ, meaning this. ذَلِكَ, meaning this. One more thing to know, that whenever ذَلِكَ is used for the meaning of this, it shows emphasis. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. This is the book, there's no doubt in it. It's more emphasis. This is the book, there's no doubt in it. So whenever ذَلِكَ is used for the meaning of this, meaning there's more emphasis in that sentence. Rules to memorize. هذا وذلك are used only for masculine, male. Anything that you're pointing should be masculine. And words to memorize. Farasun, a horse. Farasun, a horse. Kalbun, a dog. Kalbun, a dog. One more thing, try to memorize the words of the ayah with their meanings. Whenever you see ayah and memorize the word with their meanings, it will help you a lot. For example, ذَلِكَ, meaning that. So you repeat it 5-10 times or 10-20 times. ذَلِكَ, that. ذَلِكَ, that. مَتَاع, enjoyment. مَتَاع, enjoyment. Al-Hayat, the life. Al-Hayat, the life. Ad-Dunya, the world. Ad-Dunya, the word. So for each ayah, for each word, repeat it a few times. 10 times, 20 times. Try to memorize it. It will help you in the future, insha'Allah ta'ala. It is your time to study and practice now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.